Hello, my name is Laura Dale. I have been a customer at Northridge Dental Group since 1987. I came here after being at other dentist office and which were not as nice as this office. Dr. Arami took a look at my teeth and they were gray from childhood, and I asked him what I could do, and he suggested veneers, and he went ahead and did the veneers on my top front 6 teeth. He gave me a night guard to wear at night to protect them, and I still have them to this day. I continued at Northridge Dental Group with my family, my daughters. My 34-year-old daughter still comes here with her husband and her 5-year-old and 2-year-old. We really do like coming to Northridge Dental Group.